Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming admin access and a quick backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, boot Windows normally or choose safe mode if the system won't start. Next, open Control Panel, navigate to Recovery, and select Configure System Restore so you can see restore points. Make sure to note the date/time of the unwanted restore. Finally, prepare to disable automatic restore or select a different restore point. This sets up the next decisive steps. You now go to System Properties and open the System Protection tab. This is where restore points live. Once there, either click System Restore to undo a specific restore operation, or choose Disable System Protection to stop future automatic restores. Pick one based on your goal. If undoing, follow the prompts and pick the correct restore point by date and description. Then confirm and let Windows apply changes. Make sure to save open work, because the process will restart the PC. You finish by restarting and verifying Windows starts normally. Check key apps and files to ensure settings are correct. Once satisfied, re-enable System Protection and create a manual restore point to capture this stable state. If Windows still returns to a restore loop, boot into safe mode or the recovery environment, run System Restore there, or use Startup Repair to break the cycle. One tip: if nothing works, restore a recent file backup or perform an in-place upgrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.